Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm DEVINCI here with natural glam makeup slay, like every day 2018, really 2019 because we're like ahead of the curve. This is a super easy, very wearable makeup to wear just every day. If you want, like, I mean, it's just an overall universal cute look. Like, the vibes, I love to say it, but like the vibes are really endless. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to give it a big old thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and yeah. All right, so I know I've been coming to you guys with a lot of full coverage. We've been doing eye makeup. Today we're gonna do a natural glam, like a natural looking full glam. Because I've just been into glam and now I have these faux locks. They're such a vibe. Look at me, I'm going crazy. Yeah, I wanna do a natural glam look with faux locks today. Yeah, I wasn't gonna talk, but I guess I can talk. Why not talk? But I'm gonna use my hangover primer. Today we're gonna be using the Kat Von D foundation in the shade Warm 62. And I kind of don't want this makeup tutorial to take all day, so we're gonna do like a quick, fast, we're gonna do like a quick natural beat. The good thing about this foundation, it's transfer resistant, so you're not gonna find it on your clothes. Like, I've been wearing my NARS recently and it's been getting all over the fucking place, and I'm just like, oh my goodness. Like, but yeah, that's this NARS, the NARS Natural Radiant. Like, this literally gets all over the place. Tarte Shape Tape. So just our cover of X, y'all. If you watch my videos, I've been using this for a while. This is in the color N60. But I'm gonna just use my Makeup Forever bronzer. Bit more of this one. So I really wanna be bronzed today. Blush, the blush we're gonna be using is like a brown shade, Amaretto. I don't even know where you can find it, but I really like this bronzer. I mean, this blush. Okay, and of course we're gonna go in with our highlight. Take our little fluffy brush just to diffuse any tours. We are gonna hit it with a bit.
Bitches only, and that's a lesson.